Welcome to our deep dive into the most treacherous terrains for truck drivers around the globe. Today we're unveiling the top 3 most dangerous mountain roads for truck drivers. These aren't just challenging, they are infamous for their high accident rates and extreme conditions. First up, the notorious North Yungas Road in Bolivia, often dubbed Death Road. This narrow, unpaved path is carved into the side of the Cordillera Oriental Mountains. Known for its extreme hairpin turns, steep gradients, and lack of guardrails, it's a true test of nerve. One wrong move can send a truck plummeting hundreds of feet into the abyss below. For large vehicles, the narrowness of the road is a constant threat. Collisions with oncoming traffic, falling rocks, and sudden mudslides are common hazards, making it a perilous journey for even the most experienced drivers. For large vehicles, the narrowness of the road is a constant threat. Collisions with oncoming traffic, falling rocks, and sudden mudslides are common hazards, making it a perilous journey for even the most experienced drivers. Next, we head to Asia, to the Karakoram Highway, stretching between China and Pakistan. While a marvel of engineering, its mountain sections are exceptionally dangerous. The Karakoram Highway is a vital trade route but traverses one of the most challenging mountainous terrain on Earth. It's known for extreme altitudes, over 15,000 feet, offering little room for error for large trucks. These narrow, dark passages, combined with frequent avalanches, landslides, rockfalls, and unpredictable weather conditions that can change rapidly from clear to blizzard, demands maximum precision and vigilance from truck drivers. Finally, we travel to the last frontier, Alaska, and the Dalton Highway. This 414-mile gravel road serves as the primary supply route for Alaska's oil fields in Prudhoe Bay. It's famous for its extreme weather conditions, including blizzards, whiteouts, and temperatures that can plummet to -60 degrees Fahrenheit. The isolation is intense, with minimal services along its entire length. Drivers face treacherous ice, deep snow, and fierce winds, with very few places to stop for help or supplies. It's a true test of endurance and preparation, pushing both vehicle and driver to their limits. These roads are more than just routes. They are formidable challenges that highlight the incredible resilience and skill required to be a truck driver. From Bolivia's Death Road to China's Karakoram Highway and Alaska's Dalton Highway, each presents its own unique set of dangers that demand respect and extreme caution. The safety of truck drivers on these perilous routes depends not only on their driving skills but also on thorough preparation, reliable equipment, and an unwavering commitment to safety. If you found this deep dive into the challenges of the road fascinating, and you're curious to explore more about the vehicles, the routes, and the people who keep our goods moving, then you're in the right place. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure into the incredible world of transportation safety and compliance. See you in the next video.